In the previous video, we created the item layout and the recycler view. In this video, we'll create the model class. The model class represents the data class that acts as a structure for holding the information for every item of RecyclerView. And since the model class represents the data for each item, we need to follow the layout of the item. We have the image view and two text views. And as said before in the previous sections, we learned that the image view is stored inside an integer variable, and the text views are stored inside the string variables. So for that, I need to create a new Java class, and I'll name it as item. So this class is acting as model class for our recycler view. I need to create an int item image, string item name, and item description. The second step is to create the constructor, having all of these items. And this is our constructor. We need to pass one int and two strings. Now let's move to create the getters and setters. Alt plus insert. Select getters and setters and select all these fields. Click OK, and here we go. These are the getters and these are the setters.